I make $2,000 a month from the most boring side hustle imaginable. No courses to sell you, no affiliate links, just 15 hours of work monthly doing something so dull that nobody brags about it on Instagram. Here's what I do. I organize email inboxes for busy professionals. That's it. No fancy email marketing, no copywriting, just pure organization. And people pay me $150 per inbox per month. Think about your email right now. How many unread messages? Mine used to be 14,000. I'm not proud of that, but it's the reality for most professionals. They're drowning in newsletters, updates, and reply-alls that don't matter. I started this by accident. My dentist mentioned during a cleaning that he had 23,000 unread emails. I jokingly offered to fix it for $100. He said yes immediately. Took me 2 hours, $50 per hour for clicking and sorting. But here's where it gets interesting. He wanted me to maintain it. Check twice a week, keep it at 0, create filters. $150 monthly for maybe 3 hours of work. Then he referred me to his lawyer friend. Then the lawyer referred me to 2 others. Now I have 15 clients. Each pays $150 monthly. That's $2,250. I spend 1 hour per client per month. 15 hours total, $150 per hour. The service is simple. First, I do an inbox 0 session. Delete the junk, archive the old, flag what needs responses. Then I create filters. Newsletters go to one folder, receipts to another, client emails get starred. Finally, I maintain it. Twice weekly check-ins, 5 minutes each. Clients don't care that it's boring. They care that their phone stops buzzing with garbage. They care that important emails don't get buried. They care that they can find things. Let me break down exactly how this works. Monday mornings, I log into 5 client inboxes. Takes 5 minutes each to sort weekend emails. 25 minutes total. Wednesday afternoons, 5 more clients. Friday morning, the final 5. The actual work is mindless. Delete promotional emails. Archive completed conversations. Flag anything needing responses. Move receipts to tax folders. Update filters when new patterns emerge. But clients see massive value. One real estate agent told me I save her 2 hours weekly. At her hourly rate, she profits by paying me. A consultant said finding emails faster has saved 3 deals. That's thousands in value from inbox organization. Here's my exact pricing structure. Initial inbox 0 session, flat $200. Takes 2 to 4 hours, depending on the disaster level. Monthly maintenance, $150. Includes twice weekly check-ins and unlimited filter adjustments. Email template creation, $50 per template. Most clients want 5 to 10 templates. My tools cost nothing. Gmail or Outlook, both free. No special software, no subscriptions, no overhead. Pure profit minus taxes. Finding clients is easier than you think. Local Facebook groups are gold mines. Does anyone else have email anxiety? Posts get dozens of responses. LinkedIn posts about productivity generate leads. Real estate agent groups are desperate for this. My first month, I made $400. Month 2, $800. Month 6, $2,000. Now I'm turning clients away because I don't want more than 15. The best part? Clients never leave. Once someone experiences inbox 0, they can't go back. I've had the same dentist client for 18 months. That's $2,700 from one yes. You can start this tomorrow. Here's exactly how. First, fix your own inbox. You need to understand the process before selling it. Take screenshots of your before and after. That's your portfolio. Next, post in one local Facebook group. I helped my inbox go from 5,000 unread to 0. Happy to help others for a small fee. You'll get messages within hours. Start with a low price, maybe $50 for inbox 0. Build testimonials, then raise prices. The script for potential clients is simple. I notice you mentioned email overwhelm. I help professionals achieve inbox 0 and maintain it. Initial cleanup is $200, then $150 monthly to keep it that way. Most clients save 3+ hours weekly. Interested in a free 10-minute assessment? Common objections and responses. It's too expensive. Response. What's your hourly rate? This saves you at least 4 hours monthly. I can do it myself. Absolutely, but you haven't. I ensure it actually happens. Is it secure? Response: I sign NDAs and use your security preferences. The money math is compelling. 5 clients equals $750 monthly. 10 clients, $1,500. 15 clients, $2,250, all for part-time hours. You control. But here's the real secret. This leads to bigger opportunities. Clients ask about other organization. File systems, calendars, task management, each is another service, another revenue stream. Your action step today. Go to your inbox right now. Time how long it takes to reach 0. Multiple that by your target hourly rate. That's what you can charge. Comment below with your inbox count. Highest number gets my free Inbox Zero guide. This is Wealth Wisdom Academy. Sometimes the most boring path is the most profitable.